Guys, welcome back. So this video is going to be very short, at least on my end it will be. I don't really have much to say on this. I think I've said everything I had to say in my last video, which happened to be my reaction to Laura Lee's apology. So now this is Boxycharm's CEO speaking out against what has come to light in regards to the past tweets that Laura had posted onto her Twitter. Even 6 years ago, this is just what they had to say about it in their reaction to everything. I'm not sure if I can take this as them saying that they are going to stop working with Laura. I know that her party animal palette, I think, or something of that nature, was just in the Boxycharm box for last month, and a lot of people were very pissed off. I know a lot of people have been saying that it seems like Laura is taking the brunt of all the negativity when it comes to losing brand deals, having her products pulled out of stores, etc., etc. I know it seems that way, but I've actively seen Ipsy members, even Ipsy OS members, saying that if Ipsy continues to work with Gabriel Zamora, you can see right here, this is a sponsored video by Ipsy. If they continue to work with Gabriel Zamora and they don't remove him from the platform as a representative, they're going to take their subscriptions elsewhere. Now, there are other boxes that are the comparable price of $10. You have the Sephora Play box, you have Birchbox. So, I mean, they have other options, and it's going to be sad if Ipsy decides to say, you know, fuck you to their customers and continues to work with this individual. But we have to see what happens. You know, we just don't know what's going to happen until we get a final word. So at this point, it's a waiting game. We have no idea what's going to happen with Ulta still. There has been no update as far as I've seen. I know Sanders is the one who reached out to Ulta to get that original statement. So if we're going to hear anything, I'm assuming we hear through Sanders or even through Ulta's professional pages, whether it be on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever the case may be. So at this point, the brands are speaking out now. You know, we've waited about a week. We were waiting to see what happens, but now it's the brand's turn to start, you know, giving their opinions and seeing what they're going to do when it comes to these individuals involved. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and let you guys watch the CEO statement from Boxycharm. See you guys later. Bye.
Charmers, this video is more of a statement, a company statement and a personal statement. It's in regard to the Laura Lee video that was made, tweet that was done in 2012, all right? Those of you who don't know, there was a tweet made by Laura Lee 6 years ago that was very hurtful, very disturbing. It's actually not worth repeating on this channel. And I wanted to be very clear for anyone that has any doubt. Absolutely, we do not support that. We do not understand how someone can tweet something like this. This is a very disturbing tweet, and we are against anything like that. I wanted to also say something about the way we work, so you guys can get some more information and understand. We work with a lot of partners and the bloggers community and brands, and we love them all. And we're trying to basically connect you with influencers, with brands. We're doing our best. There's some due diligence we do, and but we can't catch everything out there that was said. Something one day in the past, a tweet that was made, or so on. So please understand, we're really against that, and this is not us. It would never be us. And in the future, if we ever work with a company, a person, or someone that has said something like this, before you even expect a statement, which we probably will release, I am telling you now, we do not support that. Just be positive, and that's it. I mean, if you think about generally how we work in Boxycharm and you follow us, what you'll see from us is nothing but education about makeup, funny memes, funny statements. This is where we work. This is what we do. It's a positive place. We don't sip on a tea. I didn't even know the phrase up until a couple of days ago. I didn't know what it means, right? So, I mean, I kind of learned English in that process, right? We're not trying to sip on anything. We're not trying to talk negative about anything. We just want to do our little thing that's fun in our corner, educating about the makeup that goes into the box, about the brands, who they are, make you laugh with our memes, with our videos behind the scene, and that's how it's always going to stay. And kind of like a learnable lesson for all of us is that when you post something on social media, or when you say something in general, it doesn't even have to be on social media, you know, it doesn't cost you anything to be nice. How much will it cost you if you weren't? say something nice all the time. Always think about it. It might hurt someone else. It's just not the place, not the time. And that's it. We love you all. We want to go and make you happy, and we're going to keep doing that.